Hey guys, welcome back to Once Upon a Tiny Farm. My name's Drew. Today in this video, I just want to make a quick video about an exciting video series that I'm going to be doing coming up starting in the new year. And that is called the 400 square foot garden. Now, right behind me is a 20 by 20 foot area that was our original garden that we put in place here when we first moved to this property. And if you could see behind me, it's very overgrown. I didn't take very good care of this last year. I neglected it for my more of my market garden areas, and it became very weedy and overgrown. So I had an idea. I've learned quite a bit in the last 5 years since I first made this garden, and I want to share with you, all of you on YouTube and around the world, wherever you are, how to start a really efficient garden in a 20 by 20 space. And I'm going to show you plans, an actual crop plan I'm going to give in a PDF format for free to give you the new gardener. That's who I'm targeting, or someone who wants to start a garden but doesn't know where to start and might not have a lot of area in your backyard. I figure a lot of us might have a 20 by 20 space of grass, and that's what this originally was grass that we transformed into a garden space. And I'm going to show you how to set up 6 raised beds in that space, along with a couple of grow bags. I'll explain what all that stuff looks like and how to do it. And now is the greatest time to plan for next year, because we don't really have much going on this time of year. It's very cold. I'm excited to start filming that video series starting next year, and I already started working on the crop plan to share with all of you. So the crop plan will take all of the guesswork out of what to plant and when you need to start things in trays, and when they need to be transplanted, when to harvest, and what goes in that bed next. I'm gonna have a plan for everybody if they wanted to follow this plan step by step to start their own garden from the very beginning. I'm gonna start very soon on a series on how to start your own very own 400 square foot garden. So stick around and follow us and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Share our video with friends of yours that might be interested in starting their own small garden in their backyard. I'm going to be giving out plans very soon to get started on your own 400 square foot garden. So I just wanted to share that real quick in this video. I'm kind of excited about I'm doing that. Are you okay? Are you excited? Yeah, this is YouTube. I'm talking to the internet. Do you want to say anything? Tell them to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more videos on the new series on starting a small garden. No? Okay. That's all I wanted to share in this video. Kind of excited about it and wanted to let you all know. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Also, I have a link in the show notes below this video for our newsletter. That's where I'm going to be putting and sending emails on a lot of the updates on the 400 square foot garden. So if you're not subscribed to our email list, and you're probably not, because I only just started utilizing it recently, click the link for our newsletter and sign up, put up your name and email address, and you'll start getting updates on the 400 square foot garden and the plans for starting one in your own backyard. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.